Morning guys, November 27, 2023. This one I got a call from a guy who's got a washing machine valve that's leaking. And it's the old style individual valves, I guess. I got a couple of different styles that I could put in there and probably shut the house main water off and change them both, most likely. He's calling me and wants me to go by there and see if I can fix it. So, I don't think the washing machine's in there. I think he's got it out so I can get in there and work on it. We'll see when we get over there. Nice day today. I got the window open for Miss Molly. Yeah, Miss Molly. Nice. Probably 50 degrees out today. I gotta get some stuff done around the yard. Still nice out. I'm trying to get you some shots over there.
Only one unit.
Yeah, so we should be able to fix that. How do we shut the water off?
Oh, yeah, we get it.
You know how to do it?
Yeah, it's right there.
Shut the main off and then we'll do what we gotta do here. Let me grab a couple. The only thing with the ones on the top, I'm not sure.
Huh?
You shut the main off. You can shut that off and open up the kitchen faucet. Got it off? Why don't you go open up the toilet, flush the toilet or something that's lower than this.
Alright.
So I could work on this. Here. Different styles. What these? The only thing is the handle's on the top. I don't know how it's going to work. I got a whole bunch more at home. I need to put them in the flipping truck here so I got them accessible. I need them. Shouldn't be if you open something up lower. Yeah. Yeah, it is still dripping. You flush the toilet? Open up the tub because it's lower than this. The water should go in the tub. Alright, stop there. Well, I'm going to do them both. Yeah, both hot and cold, right?
Yeah, I might as well change both of them. I don't want to.
No, what I'm saying, did you open up the tub, hot and cold on the tub? Or just the cold?
Oh, it's all one thing.
Yeah, put it on the mix, like, you know. Open up the vanity, too. Open the vanity and see if the... Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. There you go. Yeah, that floor, you buckle the floor and ruin the flipping thing, huh?
Yeah.
That's what they call a dumb move, right?
Yeah. Expensive move.
Huh?
Expensive move.
You wanted a new floor anyway.
Not really.
Hopefully. Yeah, it's coming off. Wow.
Tight, huh?
Wow, I just don't wanna rip it out of the copper.
Yeah.
The fitting, because then I gotta open the wall up. I don't want to do that. Yeah, these were good valves back in the day, the Mansfield. I mean, they were decent. But
Yeah.
what can I tell you?
I hated it.
As we get older, we start having issues. Ain't that the truth?
You got that right.
Yeah. Crazy.
Or you turn 80.
Are you 80 now?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you guys aren't Florida bound.
usually go for a month.
Oh, that's it?
This is enough for me.
Wow. Ooh. Oh. A blunt is enough.
For me, yeah.
Wow. Not good. I'll give it a little bit more leverage. Wow. Wow. Don't want to hear it. Give it a little bit more throw here, maybe. Wow. Not good. Thing's really on there. Maybe if I do that like that. I'm trying not to wreck the place.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, this old shit.
If we spin that in the wall, it's gonna make things worse. Do that. Maybe. I think that's all the way out, is it or not? There it comes. Gotta give it a little bit more leverage.
Wow.
Yeah, you probably wouldn't have been too successful trying it yourself, no?
No, that's why I did it.
Probably not. I mean, rip that copper female off and then you're sucking wind. You're really be having issues. You been cleaning up the yard and taking the stuff to the landfill there?
Yeah.
The leaves and shit?
Yeah, I've done 4 trailers so far.
Yeah, I've been doing it myself, so. It's a nice little, they let us take it all there.
Yeah.
They must recycle it or something.
They do. They
What do they do with it?
they mulch it up
They mulch it.
and they use it for to filter the sewage, the water.
They what?
The water they purify the water with it. I don't know.
Do they?
Yeah.
They purify the water with the leaves?
Well, the branches, I know that. The leaves, I guess, too. I don't
I
know.
wonder why. How they can purify the water with that. Never heard of that.
They do something to clean it up. I don't know.
The wastewater.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like a treatment plant over there, and then
Right.
in the back they have all that. I never knew what it was all about. I thought they made like mulch or something like that with it. But
Well, they do make mulch. I don't know if that's what they use. That's the way I heard it.
So it does something with purifying the water,
Yeah.
cleaning up the waste.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Now, if I put these in, the handles are going to be a little higher, but they're easier.
Yeah.
It's a better valve.
That's
Okay.
like a quarter turn. You
Yeah,
said?
quarter turn.
That's
Yeah.
beautiful.
These are better. These are definitely better valves than what you had in there.
Yeah.
And you got the no burst supplies, so you shouldn't have any leaks. Well, that's what happened. You get a leak and then you buckled the floor.
Yeah.
Not good. So. You gotta make sure when you tighten this stuff up that this stuff doesn't leak on the washing machine. You make sure you got good gaskets, and you got new hoses. Are these new?
Yeah, it was 4 months old.
Okay. And I'm glad to see you got the no burst. That's good, my good. Yeah, the new washing machines, they don't last as long as the old stuff for some reason. I don't know why.
Well, the one I bought, my wife hated.
You don't like them?
I just sold it yesterday.
What, the brand new one?
Yeah.
She wants the old one back?
Yeah.
Wow.
Go figure.
Well, I mean,
Well, I bought one.
they do the washing. The thing does the funky chicken there, back and forth, back and forth. They're kind of weird.
Well, I bought the washer. I figured it was great for this house because the vent is on the inside wall, and I don't want to use the vent anymore. I closed it in.
So what are you gonna do with the vent?
It's blocked off with the wall.
What are you gonna do with that? You're just gonna dump the moisture in the building?
Nope. I'm gonna get a ventless dryer.
A ventless?
Yep.
How is that even possible? All right, go shut all the valves off, and we'll turn the water on, and we'll see what happens here. You gotta get rid of the moisture somehow, guy. It's gonna go into the room. You're not gonna like it come summertime. Right now.
The washer I had was washer and dryer, one unit.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, they're always trying to reinvent the wheel, you know, and then they change shit, and then it doesn't work, or, you know. Oh, it's a heat pump. All right, go turn the water on. These valves are off. We should be all right. Turn it on a little bit more. The toilet's gonna fill. You got everything else off on the other side, right?
Yeah.
That should be fine. We put Teflon and pipe dope on them, so. Toilet's filling on the other side. I just want to make sure that stops, and that if you ever look at the meter, see if the meter quits spinning. Once it stops, once the toilet stops, we'll check the meter. There's a little diamond on the top of that meter.
Yeah.
That thing's spinning. That means the water's filling.
Yeah, it's a stop.
Once the toilet stops, well, that should stop. Give it a minute. I like the old school shit, you know? The old basic. Shit lasts forever. Well, that toilet's filling quite a bit there.
Yeah.
I don't see any water. You sure you got the tub off and everything?
Thought he did. Well, I got the sink over.
Oh, maybe the kitchen sink. All right, check it now. I did the kitchen sink. I threw you a curveball.
Okay, it stopped.
Take a look at the diamond. Is it spinning?
It stopped spinning.
Okay, you're all set then. That's how you can tell if you got a toilet leak, if that diamond's spinning.
Oh.